One of the easiest ways to automate actions that you want to take either on a form or report is to add some command buttons. The easiest way to create a command button is to use the command button wizard. And what that is going to do is do a step-by-step approach in creating a button and adding some action to that button. What you're actually doing is you're creating a macro, which is Visual Basic Coding, to a button, and it's going to be added to what's called the on-click property, so that when you click that button, the action that you select will be performed. There are many different command buttons, whether it's dealing with record navigation, some record observations, forms operations, report operations, some applications, and some miscellaneous stuff. So, to show you this, what I first want you to do is make sure you're in Form Layout Tools Design, and I'm in Layout View in my form. So what I'm doing is changing the form in Layout, but I also get to see the data. You want to click the More button here under your controls to make sure you have the Use Control Wizard on, and you'll know it's on when it's like a different color. With that now, we're going to go ahead and click the button command, and we're going to place a button down at the bottom left-hand corner. The first button is going to be a records operation, and we're going to save the record. We could add a picture here, the Save Record picture, or you can add text. Let's add text and call it Save Employee Record. Click Next. Now you want to give it a meaningful name. This form is being used to add new employees, so we're going to say Add Employee, or EMP, Form -Save Button, and click Finish. Okay, the next button we want to do is we want to click in order to add a new employee. So I'm going to go ahead and click Button again. I'm going to place this in the middle. And this is a records operation again, and we're going to add a new record, which is the first one selected. Click Next. We're going to add the text that says Add New Employee. Click Next, and then we're going to give it a meaningful name. We're going to make sure it's on the Add Employee form, and we're going to say -Add button, so it adds records, and click Finish. And then we're going to add one more button on the right hand side, and this is going to be actually a form operation in which we're going to close the form, and we're just going to put the message close, the text close form. And we're going to name this Add Employee Form -Close button, and click Finish. So let's take a look at how this works. I'm going to switch to Form View. If I want to add a new employee, I click this. It gives me a brand new record to add a new employee. I'm going to add employee 500, first name Bob, last name Smith. Okay, I want to save that. Oops, I must have a duplicate in there. Sorry. So let's do employee ID 1000 and save the employee record. Okay, now it's been saved. Now I'm going to close the form. Do you want to save the changes? Yes, I do. And that is how you add command buttons using the command button wizard.